CX Semi-Automatic Can Sealing Machine. This machine is designed for plastic can, metal can, paper can and aluminum can product sealing. Inching control, semi-automatic and automatic 3 operation modes. Semi-automatic operation mode. Inching control operation mode, for machine adjusting. Automatic operation mode. Easy to control and operate. Sealing can diameter and can height are easy to adjust. Perfect performance and efficient in different kinds of can product sealing. Fully stainless steel body machine design, beautiful and durable. World-famous electric accessories and pneumatic accessories. Suitable for long-term continuous work. CE certificate and meet the GMP standard. 2 years warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.